Hey guys, hope you're all having a great weekend. These are going to be the 5 stocks that we are watching this coming week. First one being Snap, second one being Coin, third one being Nvidia, fourth one being LYFT, and then the fifth one being TTD. Hope you guys all have a great week and look forward to trading with you all this week. Thank you. Alright, so getting things started, for those of you who haven't watched the previous videos, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is breaking down the market. What did we saw within the last week on the market, and then what can we expect to see within the coming weeks. I'm going to be using SPY as a proxy here, and really some bullish signs here on the market of something that you should note. Finally breaking this lower low trend move here. So if you drew a trend line from where we rejected here at the 200 SMA, forming this downtrend trending line here, if you draw this right down here. And again, I'm not a big proponent of using trend lines, but from a trending structure, going to be trying to curl and make a move to the upside here. And one thing to note is when we do come into this region here from 406.89 all the way up into 417, you can see how much weakness we've had in the market, noted by all the consolidation that we've had in the market. So if we look at the market perspective, look at all the consolidation here, look at all the consolidation here, and then you can see we completely just sliced through that on this weak selling candle here. So as for a level to watch, personally going to be watching this move here above this 408 region. Nice curling pattern here, good potential to trade up here into that 417 region, 420 above that. The key again being a breakout of this consolidation area here, which would officially be above this zone at 417.30. So breaks above 417.30 looking really, really good to the upside here. 401.23 providing a strong support region below if we do fail this cup formation here and get a handle move here, expecting that 401.23 support region to hold up here. But again, nice curling pattern, trying to break out, form a new trend to the upside here. Curling pattern, holds that 408.07 region, want to see a move through 417.30, clear this consolidation area for a move and potential into highs up here at 430, 431 area. One thing to note is if we do go in and let's put on the 200 SMA, 200 SMA is going to be a region where institutions and hedge funds eye this. I do think if we do break and hold above the 200 SMA, we can get a very nice advancement to the upside, as there is so much cash sitting on the sidelines right now. A lot of people will partake in the market as soon as we do reclaim that. 200 SMA currently sitting at 426.56. So keep that on watch here. Probably not going to be hit this week, but a level to keep on watch. You can see we rejected right at it here on 816 before selling off 10%. Forming a curling pattern, breaking of this downtrend structure here, liking this upcoming week here for the markets. As for the, actually first let me go back to this empty study set. As for the 5 plays of the week, first one being Snapchat, and one thing I want to note here is going to be, actually here, one second, let me add in the study that actually has the volume on it, that way you guys can see it. So let's go here, load study set, VWAP, and then let's go into here on the daily chart. Actually, it's fine, I don't need it on the bottom, but anywho, what I wanted to see here on Snapchat, going to be the first name that I'm watching here, watching a curling pattern here through 1272. So one thing you note is that a lot of these stocks are going to be forming similar setups as the market because they do compose of the market. So when you see a curling pattern on a lot of these plays, it's because the market is curling as well. If we do break out of 1272, expecting some buying pressure coming in, pushing up above this high up here into 1380, I do think we can see that region here this week. Now, one thing I want you guys to note, this is not a very good daily candlestick formation from the perspective of we're wicking above a known resistance region, a prior rejection level. 2 potential setups here on this one. This is a shakeout to get these weak orders out for the next move up higher to, on Monday, excuse me. Watching this primarily over that 1293 region, daily high here on Friday. Or if we do crack and see a lot of weakness on red selling and we break below 1237, do think we can trade into 1190. So really 2 potential setups here on this one. Going to be eyeing both setups. Either we form a move over 1293 for a move up into 1380, or we crack below on this weakness rejection down into 1190. Second play of the week, going to be Coinbase. And from a perspective of just purely price action, You can see we're breaking out of this downtrend region here, and we do have these gaps that we have been filling. So you can see this gap right here at this region at 81, testing right into that. It did touch that level for a second here on Friday. Want to see if we can break and hold of 81 for a move up here into this region at 86.89 and above this at, let's see here, 80 or 93.68. So nice potential setup here, breaking this downtrend formation, trading higher volume here on Friday, closing on strength. Liking this one here on Monday if we can trade above 81 for a move here up into 86.89 and above that up into 93.68 above. The third play going to be Nvidia, and really what I like to see, and this one has been on our watch list prior, simply because hitting 52-week lows, shaking out all of these weak orders. Now we're reclaiming here up into this move after falling below 140.52. Now we're curling, similar pattern to Snapchat. Again, like I mentioned, a lot of curling patterns here simply because of the market. So watching this curling pattern here, if we do trade above this zone up here at 145.74, we do have this gap fill potential up into 149.65, 150 area, where we did get this gap down here on 9/1. So watching this hold above 145.74 for a upside move here with potential into 150 plus this week. The fourth play, one that's also had some strength as of late, trading high volume as well. Going to be LYFT. You can see that similar structure. We had this downtrend selling. Nice pop up here on high volume on 9/8. So on Thursday, nice continuation higher here on Friday. I do think if we hold 18.15, we can continue this upside move. Potential to see 20 on this one. Really liking the strength, higher low as far as a reversal goes. Want to see a continuation again above 18.50 to trade up into that 20 region plus this week. Last one, TTD, and this is going to be one that's coming off of a breakdown structure similar to what we've seen lately, trying to curl, reclaiming highs off this 825 candle. I do think if we hold 66.45, good potential here to trade up into 70.66 and potential above that into that 75 area. So nice gap up, curling pattern here, forming net new highs. I want to see this hold 66.45. So the key on this is buying pressure over 66.45 for a move up into 70.66 and potential for 75 this week. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in getting our course alerts and more, feel free to check out simplified-investing.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you guys all have a great week and look forward to trading with you all on Monday. Thank you.